for you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Pauri Ben. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Pauri Ben, may you have a wonderful year ahead full of good health and happiness. Hope that the wishes from all the distant family members makes your day memorable. Bye.
Bye.
Hi Pauravi, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead. And thank you Kavya for gathering all the cousins and bhabis virtually on this special day. Once again Pauravi, happy birthday, enjoy your day and stay blessed.
Happy birthday, Pauravi.
Hi Gauravi, happy birthday. Wishing you the best of health and happiness. I know with the quarantine and the restaurants being closed, you cannot celebrate outside, but I'm sure Kavya and Manish have planned something good for you. So enjoy your birthday. Wishing you all the best and lots of happiness and good health always. Take care. Bye.
હાય પૌરવી મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે હાઉ આર યુ અમારા બધા તરફથી હેપી બર્થડે I hope you are having a great day and a great time. It is so nice of Kavya. She has grown up. Atli moti thai gayi. She decided to give you a pleasant surprise. So sweet of her. This is the way for us to get together and we all get a chance to talk to you and wish you happy birthday. So really, happy birthday to you. અને તારા માટે આ કેક. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pauravi Ben. Hope you all are doing fine. I hope you have a lovely birthday and the rest of the year. Take care.
Happy birthday Pauravi Masi.
હાર્દિક ભાવનાઓને શબ્દોમાં વ્યક્ત કરવી મુશ્કેલ નથી પણ અસંભવ છે, પણ કોશિશ કરી રહી છું. જો મારે પૌરવીનો પરિચય એક વાક્યમાં આપવો હોય તો હું કહીશ શી ઇઝ વેરી કેરિંગ, વેરી જેનરસ and always puts others before herself. અને આ વાક્ય અતિશયોક્તિ નથી. અને પૌરવી, આઈ એમ રિસાઇટિંગ અ હેપી બર્થડે સોંગ ફોર યુ એન્ડ મને એ સંસ્કૃતમાં છે પણ એટલી સરળ ભાષામાં લખાયું છે કે બધાને સમજમાં આવશે. આઈ જસ્ટ રીડ ઇટ આઉટ. જન્મદિનમ ઇદમ અય પ્રિય સખે સંતનોતુ તે સર્વદામુદમ પ્રાર્થયામહે ભવશતાયુષી ઈશ્વરમ સદા ત્વામ ચ રક્ષતુ પુણ્યકર્મણા પ્રીતિમર્જય જીવનમ તવ ભવતુ સાર્થકમ જીવનમ તવ ભવતુ સાર્થકમ. પૌરવી, a very happy birthday to you and many more to come.
Happy birthday, Pauravi boy. Hope you have a great year ahead and hope you enjoy it. And I hope your birthday goes very well. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Pauravi.
Happy birthday, Pauravi Ben.
Wish you a very happy birthday and a lovely year ahead. I'd like to dedicate this song to you. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Pauravi. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Pauravi.
Wish you a very happy birthday. This is for you, Pauravi Ben. हर खुशी हो जहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे, जिंदगी हो वहाँ तू जहाँ भी रहे, हर खुशी हो वहाँ. Once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day, Pauravi Ben.
Happy birthday, Pauravi Foy. Enjoy your day.
Hey Pauravi Ben, wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful and exciting day. Lots of love. Stay blessed. Stay healthy. Stay happy. And hope to see you soon. Bye.
Happy Krishna, many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a wonderful year and a corona-free year.
Hi Pauravi, wish you a wonderful birthday. You are one of the sweetest and the most gentle persons I have ever met. And I really feel so happy and proud to be your cousin. We've had some of the wonderful times together, so many holidays as a family, so much fun we've had together. And I really miss all those times and look forward to having some more fun holidays together as a family, all of us. And have a wonderful year ahead and lots of happiness, lots of joy, and have the most wonderful birthday. You have the sweetest and the most loving daughter ever. So God has been kind and wish you all the best. Bye.
Hi Pauravi, કેમ છે? Wish you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and have a wonderful year ahead. I don't know when we will meet. I hope we can all meet soon. But I can tell you that every time we meet, you are so talkative that it's really fun to meet up with you. And I also wanted to tell you, when Mummy was in hospital and your father too at Breach Candy, તો રોજ મને નીચે કેન્ટીનમાં ખેંચીને લઈ જતી હતી. Neither I would never go, only I would just be sitting over there. Thank you so much for being so sweet and kind to me, especially when one is in need. Thank you. Have a nice day and have a happy birthday. We will chat soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Pauravi. Enjoy your birthday. Soon you will be in 50th club. Have a great day and great year ahead.
હેપી બર્થડે પૌરવી. આજે તને તો બહુ મજા છે. મનીષને પ્રોબ્લેમ જ નથી કારણ કે બહાર લઈ જ ન જઈ શકે આજે, પણ એન્જોય, હેવ અ ગ્રેટ વન એટ હોમ, અને soon you will be in the 50th club next year. Bye.
Yes, wishing you a very happy birthday, Pauravi. Hope you have a wonderful year ahead and welcome to the fantastic 50th club. We're going to have a great time.
Hi Pauravi, have many happy returns of the day. Welcome to the 50th club and hope to see you very often here.
Happy birthday Pauravi, wishing you a wonderful day. Looking forward to celebrating your 50th next year.
Hi Pauravi, wishing you a very happy birthday. I would say enjoy this year to the fullest. This is the last year we'll be able to call ourselves in 40s, but well, I'm sure 50 is going to be great, and I'm really looking forward and hoping that all of us together can celebrate not only mine and yours, but finally everybody will be 50. So hopefully we'll be together at the end of the pandemic. And I again wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day.
Hi Pauravi, wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day and year ahead. You are a wonderful and a very sweet person, and I really cherish our friendship.
Hi Pauravi, happy birthday, enjoy the day, અને બહુ સારી રીતે એન્જોય કરો. મનીષ ને તમે બધા બહુ બહાર ફરો અને જલસા કરો, એટલી જ અપેક્ષા. ચાલો રીટાને આપું છું.
હાય પૌરવી, હેપી બર્થડે. સેલિબ્રેટ ખૂબ સરસ રીતે કરજે. જો મારી હાલત જો, આવામાં હું તને વિડીયો મોકલું જ. મારી એક જ ઈચ્છા છે કે તારો બર્થડે ખૂબ સરસ થાય, તારી હેલ્થ ખૂબ સરસ રહે, અને તું તારી બધી ઈચ્છા પૂરી થાય અને તું ખૂબ એન્જોય કરે. ઓકે, ચલ બાય. કાવ્યા, થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.
Wish you a great and a wonderful birthday. Have a good day and have fun all through the year.
Hi Pauravi Foi.
Happy birthday, Pauravi Foi.
We hope to meet you soon, and we hope that you have a wonderful day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Pauravi Ben. You're one of the nicest and sweetest persons I know, and I have all the best wishes for you. And I hope to see you soon, and may all your wishes come true this year. Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
Bye. Happy birthday,
Pauravi Ben.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
And all your
wishes come true.
And I'm blessed to have a lovely sister like you.
Have a nice day. Same birthday, same page. 18th October is the best day. Okay. Have a nice day.
18th. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Kavya, for all the efforts you took.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
પૌરવી બેટા હેપી બર્થડે, ગોડ બ્લેસ યુ, ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થાઓ, જલસા કરો, કોરોના પતે એટલે પુનઃ આવો.
હાય પૌરવી, વિશ યુ વેરી વેરી હેપી બર્થડે. તને એક જ બસ ભગવાન પાસે પ્રાર્થના કરી તબિયત સારી રહે, તારા પગના ને જે બધા પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, પણ એક યાદ રાખજે કે તું જેટલું કાવ્યાનું ધ્યાન રાખે છે ને એટલું તારી તબિયત માટે પણ ધ્યાન રાખ પ્લીઝ. બાકી વિશ યુ વેરી વેરી હેપી બર્થડે. એન્જોય કર અને બધું ઠીક થઈ જાય એટલે પુનઃ આવી જાઓ. બસ આપણે મજા કરશું. બાય.
Dear Pauravi, wish you many happy returns on the day. Dearest Kavya, thank you for doing this. What a brilliant initiative, and you're working so hard for this, but God bless you, and it's a wonderful idea. So rather than waxing eloquent about Pauravi and talking about other things, I think there is one, I'll just talk about what is it that one can learn from her. So I think her devotion to Kavya and the way she has been looking after Kavya ever since, I think that's most wonderful. Really an example to emulate. She keeps a track of everything about Kavya, and it's most wonderful to emulate. I wish Pauravi displays the same devotion towards her health also. That will make us all extremely happy. Thank you. Wish you all the very best, Pauravi.
Hi Pauravi and hi Manish. I hope you two were surprised by this very sweet initiative which Kavya took. And Pauravi, before you tell people that you are 50, you are not. You are 49. You will turn 50 only next year. And I hope that your dream of meeting Hrithik Roshan comes true.
હલો પૌરવી ભાભી, તમે જે પણ કહો છો એકદમ નિર્મળ મનથી અને સરળતાથી કહો છો. એ પછી સવારે 6 વાગે અમદાવાદ સ્ટેશન પર ચાવાળાને તમારો મસાલો આપીને ચા બનાવડાવવાની વાત હોય, કે પછી પાસપોર્ટ ના વપરાયો હોય અને કહેવાનું હોય કે અમારો પાસપોર્ટ તો ખાલી શ્રીનાથજી સુધીનો જ છે. હા, અને જ્યારે નવી નવી મોબાઈલ સર્વિસ આવેલી ને તમને મોબાઈલ મળ્યો હતો ત્યારે ફોન કરતાની સાથે જ પહેલું સેન્ટેન્સ તમે બોલતા, હું પૌરવી બોલું છું મોબાઈલ ફોન પરથી. બસ આમ જ સરળ અને નિર્મળ રહેજો. વિશ યુ મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે.
Pauravi Bhabhi, wish you many happy returns of the day.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Pauravi Kaki.
Hi Pauravi, wishing you a very happy birthday from Chicago. Kavya's done a great job trying to get all the data and information together from all our friends. I'm sorry that I could not do the video as I haven't had a chance to do it. Hopefully this will make it on time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy your party. It's Chikisha. Bye.